Hey guys, welcome back. This is Evan with HPI Auto. I wanted to kind of do another refresh video for the lithium battery issue on the Porsche. I made that video a while back and I've had a ton of people that have contacted me and purchased kits. I do have many kits in stock. I keep them in stock pretty regularly. I sell roughly about 10 a week actually, surprisingly enough. So just want to kind of give you an update. I know there's some online that are listed and you're having to wait months. It's going to go through customs now with tariffs, everything makes it a little difficult. So I do keep these in stock. I have about 50 in stock at all times. And what you will get with that kit is going to be the cable with a sensor on it, a little bit of wiring you need, and then the dongle. Now I've had some feedback from some customers that are having issues with the battery programming after the install. So if you put the dongle in for 5 minutes, you go back to try to get the car and you have the battery light on. What you need to do is put the dongle, turn the key off, turn the key back on, put the dongle in there, let it sit for about 5 minutes, cut the key off, and let the car go to sleep for about 30 minutes. After it goes to sleep, it's going to trigger the system to where it's going to read that the battery voltage is off, and it's going to recognize the new programming, and that should clear your light. If that does not work, if you have access to an Autel or P-Wiz or Duramagic, anything like that, what you can do is when you go to replace the battery in the Porsche anyways, you have to reprogram that battery. So just go through and reprogram the battery using the information on the battery that's going in the car, so H7, H8, and it's gonna have a little field, I think it's the second or third box, and it's gonna say LI, which is lithium. Change that to AGM, put your information in, put your serial number in there with the dashes, and then once you reprogram that, clear code's out, and then that light on the dash will go away. That's really the only issue, quote unquote, that I've seen is sometimes the cars won't take programming, but like I said, sometimes those two remedies fix it 99.9% of the time. But yeah, we keep these in stock. I get them shipped out next day. I can get them shipped to you next day if you want to pay for that, or just regular UPS ground, whatever may have you. But just want to give a quick update, let you know that this project it's gone really smoothly and I'm really excited about it. It's nice to help people out because right now, I know there's a 3-month wait on batteries from Porsche. And a lot of people are always like, the price of the kit plus the battery is the same price of a lithium battery, which is true, but that's a one-time cost. Whereas if you replace your lithium battery now, you might have the same problem a year from now. And you're doing the same thing over and over again. Whereas with this conversion, it's a one-hit deal. The battery is serviceable from then on out. The car is not going to be stranded and you can just be like a normal vehicle. But that's all I got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'd love to help you with it. Thank you guys for watching.